Welcome to the full review of EasyBit. EasyBit is a cryptocurrency platform that provides users with access to a variety of services, including secure trading and wallet management. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or store digital assets, EasyBit offers a streamlined process. The registration process is quick, and the interface is user-friendly, designed to ensure that both newcomers and experienced users can navigate the platform with ease. After signing up, you can immediately access a range of crypto pairs and explore the platform's robust features. Once logged in, you'll find that EasyBit offers a simple yet effective dashboard to manage your assets. You can trade a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. The platform also provides features for staking, allowing you to earn rewards by holding certain crypto assets. With the added security features EasyBit provides, including two-factor authentication, users can feel confident their funds are secure. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. In addition to trading, EasyBit offers a crypto wallet feature where you can store your coins securely. With their wallet integration, transferring crypto is straightforward and happens quickly, with minimal fees. EasyBit also includes advanced charting tools that help users analyze price trends and make informed decisions about their investments. The platform's mobile app is also available for users who prefer managing their crypto on the go. The app is well optimized, providing users with all the essential features in the palm of their hand. Whether you're looking to buy, trade, or simply keep an eye on your portfolio, EasyBit's mobile experience doesn't compromise on performance or usability. As you explore EasyBit, you'll notice how easily it integrates with popular wallets and how convenient the whole process is. It's designed to be an all-in-one platform for anyone looking to enter or navigate the crypto space. Keep an eye on the platform's updates as they continue to innovate and expand their services, making it even more user-friendly for beginners and experienced traders alike. If you want to stay updated on the latest features and crypto trends, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like.